today I'm going to show you how to make my best ever chocolate orange cake. I make this whenever there's a celebration for birthdays, and what I'm celebrating today is getting through the whole month of May and uploading a video every single day. I am so grateful to everyone who has liked, commented, shared, subscribed through the month of May. I really enjoyed sharing a video a day, and I was wondering how I should end the month, and I thought, why not make my favorite chocolate orange cake? I shared this a few years ago. I've been making it for absolute ages, and it's one of my absolute favorite go-to cakes. It's gluten-free, it is rich and chocolatey, full of orange flavor, so good. I'll leave the link down below to the blog post so that you can click through and make my favorite cake, and be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give the cake a try, what you think of it, and also once again thank you so much for all the support I've had through May. Really appreciate it. So this cake is for you. Let me show you how to make it. I'm going to start by melting some butter, but before I get it onto the stove, I've also got chocolate all chopped up and ready to go. There's 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of lovely dark chocolate chopped up over there, and 125 grams or 4.4 ounces of butter chopped up. So we're going to melt the butter, and as soon as it's pretty much all melted, add in the chocolate to melt as well. Now that the butter's pretty much melted, we'll add the chocolate and stir it through until it's all melted as well. Chocolate's fully melted, and now we'll pour it out into a bowl. So add in 1/3 to 1/2 a cup of caster sugar, stevia, your sweetness of choice, and whisk that in. A pinch of salt. And now the orange flavour in this cake comes from a whole jar of jam. I've got this orange marmalade with 50% fruit. It's fine cut. You can use fine cut, thick cut, anything you like. It's a whole 300 grams or 10.5 ounce jar that I'm going to add in the whole jar of marmalade. So I've added in the whole jar of marmalade, and now we'll gently mix it all through. We love when you get little bits of marmalade in the cake, so I don't like to tend to over mix it. So now I'm going to add in a couple of eggs. Give those a good whisk in. And for the flour, I'm using coconut flour, so add 1/4 cup of coconut flour and give the mixture a final whisk until you have a lovely cake batter. There you go, that is perfect, and now we'll move it into the cake tin. So I'm using a round cake tin to bake the cake in. I've got it lined with well-greased baking paper, and now we'll pour the cake mixture in. And just smooth it out, and then it goes into the oven, which is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, for 45 to 50 minutes, or until it's perfectly cooked to your liking. So I'll show you once it's out the oven. Cake's just come out of the oven. House smells amazing. Now just allow it to cool down to room temperature before removing it from the cake tin. The cake's cooled to room temperature. No, it's not the tallest cake, but it is so dense and gooey and chocolatey and delicious. And now it's up to you what you would like to pop as a topping for your cake. You can enjoy it just as it is. You can make ganache chocolate frosting, or my go-to is to just sprinkle over or sieve over a whole lot of ice icing sugar. Just like that. I've got a lovely dusting of icing sugar, powdered sugar. It's my perfect topping. And now all that's left to do is to cut a slice. There you go. You can see the cake is gooey and chocolatey and just so full of goodness. It just is such an incredible, such a dense cake and so chocolatey and rich. But that is the video for today for how to make my favorite, best ever chocolate orange cake. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. And once again, thank you so much for your support through May, through my everyday May videos. I really appreciate interacting with you. Every single comment, like, share, subscription really is appreciated. So thanks again, and I hope you'll enjoy this cake. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.